Good morning. Today our group will be presenting about trigonal bipyramidal, and the molecule we chose is phosphorus pentachloride. Our group consists of Pok, Brem, Gus, and Inter. Let's start with the Lewis structure. So this molecule consists of one phosphorus atom bonded to 5 chlorine atoms. There are 15 lone pairs and 5 bonds in this structure. The molecule follows expanded octet rule, since phosphorus, which is the central atom, accommodates more than 8 electrons. Here are the 3D structure of this molecule in 2 different perspectives. Next is the polarity and the formal charge. The difference in En between chlorine and phosphorus is 0.97. And since the two elements are non-metal, the molecule is nonpolar. The formal charge of this molecule is 0.
So next we're gonna talk about how does phosphorus pentachloride have its structure. So phosphorus pentachloride has a shape called trigonal bipyramidal. This happens because the phosphorus atoms combine its orbitals in a way that help the electrons stay as far apart as possible. 3 chlorine atoms form bond in a flat plane at 120-degree angles, and 2 chlorine atoms form bond above and below this plane at 90-degree angles. The bonds above and below are a little longer because they face more repulsion from the other bonds. But this shape is still stable based on the Vespers theory.
Next is the bond angle. The trigonal bipyramidal shape of phosphorus pentachloride comes from how the 5 atoms or groups are arranged around the phosphorus atom. This arrangement happens because the electron pairs try to stay as far apart as possible to reduce the repulsion. The ideal bond angles in phosphorus pentachloride are 90 degrees and 120 degrees, which match its trigonal bipyramidal shape.
Next is the application. Used as a catalyst in a manufacturing as acetyl cellulose plastic film for printing motion pictures. Phosphorus pentachloride is also used as a chlorinating agent for manufacturing of penicillin and cephalosporin, organic chemical, intermediate dyestuff, and more.
So now we're gonna talk about the properties of phosphorus pentachloride. It have an appearance of yellowish white crystalline solid, have a pungent odor, and are soluble in water. It melts at 160 degrees Celsius and its boiling point at 166.8 degrees Celsius. It have a density of 2.1 gram per centimeter cube and have a very highly reactive property. It is non-conductive in its molecular form but can conduct electricity in its solid ionic form when melted. And next are our questions.